This video shows how to use the MiniPID sensor development kit.
The MiniPID sensor development kit from Ion Science contains the following components. A USB cable, this is for the setup and transfer of data. A MiniPID sensor board. An integration board. This controls, scales, and transmits outputs. And a gas delivery hood. To connect the sensor board to the control board, remove the four-way connectors. Now wire these connectors, following this diagram. If the sensor board is mounted more than 100 mm from the control board, screened cable should be used. Now remove the power connector from the control board and connect a DC power supply. But don't switch the power on. Plug in your chosen MiniPID sensor, making note of the pin orientation. Fit the gas delivery hood, if a pipe connection is required. The hood only connects one way. Electrical power can now be applied. This next section shows how to set up and calibrate the MiniPID sensor via the USB cable. The USB cable connects here. For this procedure, the following equipment is required. A computer preloaded with the SDK software. A bottle of zero gas, typically a nitrogen-oxygen mix. And a bottle of SPAN gas, containing isobutylene at a level suited to your MiniPID's detection range. Both gas bottles should be fitted with flow regulators supplying 300 ml of gas per minute. Once set up and ready, select USB communication in the SDK software. And press Connect. Check your firmware is up to date. You'll see that a calibration is required. The date and time on the control board can be set manually, however, in this case, it's set to match the computer. Modbus settings will be left as they are unrelated to the USB settings. When Enable is pressed, power is supplied to the MiniPID sensor and a reading in millivolts from its output can be seen. Select the MiniPID you are using from the drop-down list. The software will prompt you to run a calibration, just click OK. Now connect the zero gas to the gas delivery hood. Now turn the gas on. After a few moments the reading will start to drop. If the MiniPID has been switched off for an extended period, it may take a few minutes to reach a stable level. Once the zero level is stable, click the Set Zero Value button. Disconnect the zero gas and connect the SPAN gas. As the SPAN gas comes through, the reading will rise and stabilize. Once stable, enter the concentration of gas being used. The name of the gas. And click the Set SPAN Key button. If the calibration is successful, the window will turn green, and the previous millivolt reading will be replaced by a ppm concentration. Once the SDK has been calibrated, accuracy of that calibration can be confirmed by bump testing. Simply connect the SPAN gas to confirm accuracy.
For more information, subscribe or go to ionsense.com.